Everyone, hope you are fine and doing well. In this video I will tell you about the incoming call problem in your device OnePlus 8. Before starting the video, if you are new to the channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon. So let's move to the topic. If in your device OnePlus 8 you are having the problem related to the incoming call, like they are not receiving or not showing on the display, you can solve these by the method as I am showing in this video. So follow the steps and watch complete video and learn how you can solve the incoming call problem in your device OnePlus 8. Let's watch the video and solve the issue.